Hidden deep in forests, beneath oceans, and even right under our noses, there are animals so rare and strange that most humans will never see them. They move like ghosts through ancient landscapes, their existence whispered among trees and waves. Today, you're about to discover 5 rare animals you've probably never heard of. We'll journey from African rainforests to Mexican canals, from the America's high canopies to the ocean floor. Each is a marvel of evolution, a testament to nature's creativity and the fight for survival. Welcome to Rare Encounters. Our journey begins in the heart of Africa, deep within the ancient shadowy Ituri rainforest of the Congo. This vast emerald expanse is one of the world's most mysterious and least explored places, where sunlight barely pierces the thick canopy and the air is alive with the sounds of hidden creatures. Here, in this secretive world, lives the Okapi, a creature so elusive and rarely seen that for centuries, it was believed to be nothing more than a legend whispered among the trees. With the head and long, flexible tongue of a giraffe, and striking zebra-like stripes on its legs, the Okapi is a true master of camouflage. Its velvety chocolate-brown coat blends perfectly with the forest shadows, allowing it to vanish almost instantly into the dappled light and tangled undergrowth. For generations, local Congolese communities knew of the Okapi's existence, weaving it into their folklore and daily life. But it wasn't until 1901, when Western explorers finally confirmed its presence, that the Okapi stepped out of myth and into scientific reality, astonishing the world. The Okapi's remarkable, prehensile blue tongue is not just for feeding, it's a versatile tool. With it, the Okapi can delicately pluck tender leaves from high branches, groom its own fur, and even clean its ears, reaching places most animals never could. This unique animal browses on more than 100 different plant species, many of which are toxic to other creatures. Thanks to its specialized digestive system, the Okapi can safely consume these plants, playing a vital role in the rainforest's delicate balance. The Okapi's bold stripes aren't just for show. They help calves recognize and follow their mothers through the dense, confusing undergrowth, providing both camouflage and a lifeline in the wild. Despite its secretive nature and incredible adaptations, the Okapi is now endangered, its future hanging in the balance. The relentless advance of deforestation, illegal logging and poaching threaten the Okapi's only home. Each year, more of the rainforest disappears, shrinking the Okapi's world and pushing it closer to extinction. Civil unrest and conflict in the region make conservation efforts both dangerous and incredibly challenging. Brave rangers and scientists risk their lives to protect the Okapi and its fragile habitat. To protect the Okapi is to safeguard one of the last great mysteries of the mammal world, a living relic of a time when giants roamed these forests. The Okapi's survival depends entirely on preserving the shrinking Ituri rainforest, a sanctuary not just for the Okapi, but for countless other rare and remarkable species. To lose the Okapi would be to erase a living link to Africa's wild heart, a symbol of the continent's untamed beauty and enduring mystery. Even the best hidden creatures are not safe from humanity's reach. The Okapi's story is a stark reminder of how fragile the balance between nature and human activity truly is. The Okapi's future is in our hands. By protecting its home, we ensure that this extraordinary animal, and the wild places it represents, can endure for generations to come. Next, we travel to the ancient canals of Xochimilco near Mexico City. Here lives the axolotl, a salamander that never grows up, remaining in its aquatic, youthful form for life. Its feathery gills and permanent smile have made it a favorite in aquariums, but in the wild, it's critically endangered. The axolotl's true magic is regeneration. It can regrow limbs, spinal cord, even parts of its brain and heart, perfectly and repeatedly. Scientists study it, hoping to unlock secrets for human healing, but its habitat is vanishing. Polluted canals, invasive fish, and urban sprawl have decimated wild populations. Conservationists are racing to restore clean water and safe havens, while captive breeding keeps hope alive. The axolotl is a biological miracle, yet its survival depends on our willingness to heal its world. Its story is a stark reminder: even the most resilient creatures are vulnerable to human impact. High in the rainforests of Central and South America, the margay reigns as the acrobat of the canopy. This elusive wild cat is rarely seen by human eyes, living a secretive life far above the forest floor, where sunlight filters through a maze of leaves and branches. The margay's world is a vertical labyrinth, and it has mastered every inch of it. Smaller than an ocelot, the margay spends nearly its entire life in the trees. It is perfectly adapted for an arboreal existence, rarely descending to the ground except to move between forest patches or to find water. Its slender body and flexible limbs allow it to move with astonishing agility, navigating the tangled branches with ease. Its ankles rotate 180 degrees, letting it climb down head first. Unique among cats, this remarkable adaptation means the margay can descend trees as easily as it climbs up, giving it access to prey and escape routes that other predators can't reach. Large, expressive eyes help it see in the dim light of dawn and dusk, while a long, balancing tail acts as a counterweight during daring leaps. These features give the margay exceptional night vision and balance, crucial for hunting in the shadowy canopy. It can hang from a branch by one paw, leaping with precision after monkeys, birds, and lizards. The margay's powerful legs and flexible joints allow it to spring across gaps and twist mid-air, making it one of the most agile hunters in the rainforest. The margay's spotted coat is perfect camouflage in the leafy shadows. Its fur, dappled with rosettes and streaks, blends seamlessly with the shifting patterns of sunlight and leaves, making it nearly invisible to both prey and predators. It's a patient, cunning hunter, sometimes using vocal mimicry to lure prey, imitating the cries of baby monkeys. This rare behavior shows the margay's intelligence and adaptability, allowing it to trick unsuspecting animals into coming closer. But the margay's world is shrinking. As rainforests are cleared for agriculture and development, the vast, unbroken canopy it depends on is disappearing, fragmenting its habitat and isolating populations. Deforestation and illegal hunting for its beautiful fur threaten its survival. Traps and snares set for other animals can also catch margays, and the illegal pet trade poses an additional risk to their already fragile numbers. Its slow reproduction, just one kitten at a time, makes recovery difficult. Margay mothers invest months in raising their young, and with so few offspring, every loss is a blow to the population. Elusive and rarely seen, the margay's fate is tied to the health of the rainforest. Without large, connected forests, this secretive cat cannot survive. Protecting this aerialist means saving the entire canopy ecosystem, preserving not just the margay but the countless species that share its treetop world. Now, we dive into the shallow coastal waters of the world to meet the skeleton shrimp. Not a shrimp, but an amphipod. Its transparent stick-like body makes it nearly invisible among seaweed. It moves like an inchworm, blending perfectly with its surroundings. But this ghostly stillness hides a predator. With mantis-like claws, it ambushes tiny prey in a lightning-fast strike. Males battle fiercely for territory and mates, while females carry eggs in a brood pouch. Hatchlings emerge as tiny versions of adults, ready to begin their own lives as spectral hunters. Skeleton shrimp are vital to their ecosystem, both as predators and prey. Their presence signals a healthy marine environment. Their absence warns of trouble. Even in the most overlooked places, nature's strangest wonders await discovery. Our final encounter takes us deep into the heart of the South American Cerrado, a vast mosaic of grasslands and scrub that stretches across Brazil, Paraguay, and Bolivia. This is the home of one of the continent's most mysterious and enchanting creatures, the maned wolf. With its impossibly long legs and striking reddish-gold coat, the maned wolf looks like a fox on stilts. But it's neither fox nor wolf. In fact, it's the only member of its own genus, Chrysocheon, a living relic of an ancient lineage that once roamed South America. Its elongated legs aren't just for show. They help the maned wolf peer above the tall grasses of the savanna, scanning for prey and danger alike. When threatened, the black mane along its neck stands erect, making the animal appear even larger and more formidable to would-be predators. Unlike true wolves, the maned wolf is a solitary wanderer, roaming alone through its territory. Its diet is as unique as its appearance. It hunts rodents, birds, and small mammals, but it's also a dedicated fruit eater, especially fond of the lobeira, or wolf apple, a native fruit that grows wild in the Cerrado. The lobeira fruit is more than just a snack. By eating these fruits and dispersing their seeds across the landscape, the maned wolf plays a vital role in maintaining the health of its ecosystem. Some scientists even believe that compounds in the fruit help protect the wolf from dangerous parasites. To mark its territory, the maned wolf uses a pungent, musky urine with a scent so strong it's earned the nickname skunk wolf. This powerful odor warns rivals to stay away and helps individuals keep track of each other's movements. Instead of the classic wolf howl, the maned wolf communicates with a deep, booming roar bark that echoes for miles across the open savanna. This haunting call is used to announce its presence and maintain contact with distant mates. Today, the maned wolf is classified as near threatened. Its numbers are declining, and sightings in the wild are becoming increasingly rare. The Cerrado, once a seemingly endless wilderness, is rapidly disappearing. Vast swathes are being cleared for soybean farms and cattle ranches, fragmenting the maned wolf's habitat and pushing it ever closer to the brink. Road accidents are a constant threat as highways slice through the grasslands. Persecution by farmers, who sometimes blame the maned wolf for livestock losses, adds to its troubles. Folklore and superstition have not always been kind to the maned wolf. In some rural areas, old beliefs and myths still lead to poaching and unnecessary killing, further endangering this rare animal. The maned wolf's survival now depends on protecting what remains of its unique habitat and finding new ways for people and wildlife to coexist. Conservationists are working tirelessly to educate local communities, restore native vegetation, and create safe corridors for these elusive animals. To lose this fox on stilts would be to lose a one-of-a-kind evolutionary marvel, a living symbol of the wild heart of South America, and a reminder of the delicate balance between nature and human progress. The Okapi, Axolotl, Margay, skeleton shrimp, and maned wolf, 5 rare wonders, each a masterpiece of evolution. Their stories are cautionary tales. Their worlds are vanishing, not because they're weak, but because of human impact. Deforestation, pollution, and expansion threaten their survival. Every species lost is a chapter erased from Earth's story. Their rarity is a direct result of our abundance. These creatures are vital threads in the tapestry of life. Their survival tests our wisdom and compassion. The responsibility to protect them falls to us. If you want to keep discovering the rarest creatures on Earth, subscribe to Rare Encounters, like the video, and stay curious. The planet is full of secrets. Some are still alive. Barely.